everyone, Zach Pagoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 2-1 application problem. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 2-1 application problem, and this will be the last video that I will be doing for Chapter 2. So in this application problem, we will be determining the normal balance and increase and decrease sides for accounts. So the instructions say, write the answers for the following problem in the working papers. Alright, so as you can see here, we are given a list of accounts. The accounts are cash, accounts receivable, Jens Olefsen, accounts receivable, Tony Nolan, supplies, prepaid insurance, accounts payable, United Company, and Juan Rayo Capital. Additionally, the instructions are also asking us to do the following for each account. The cash account is given as an example. Number 1, write the account title in column 1. Number 2, write the account classification in column 2. Number 3, place a check mark in either column 3 or column 4 to indicate the normal balance of the account. Number 4, place a check mark in either column 5 or column 6 to indicate the increased side of the account. And for number 5, place a check mark in either column 7 or column 8 to indicate the decreased side of the account. Okay, so now that I have read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 2-1 application problem. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 2-1 application problem, in which we will be determining the normal balance and increase and decrease sides for accounts. Alright, so that is the end of the 2-1 application problem. In the next video, I will be doing a review video of the Chapter 1 lessons. Okay? Hope to see you there. Bye!